Jason the botanist lived by the seashore. He planted trees to protect the beach he adored. Then Hannah, a marine research aide, camped nearby. They met on the shoreline with a friendly hi. At his dinner invite, their views began to stray. She feared his task disrupted natural habitat way. Jason insisted his planting would enhance the place. In frustration she left, the silence filled the space. Beneath the white sky, where waves gently rolled, a story of two kindred spirits unfolded. Through differing views, their connection grew strong, where quiet affection truly belonged. He brought her some coffee one quiet evening dusk, hoping for peace, removing the thorny husk. But Hannah was firm, her conviction held so strong. He left disappointed, wondering where he went wrong. He sought advice from his friend, a marine ecologist, suggested native species and methods, a true specialist. He started replanting, his efforts renewed. But Hannah had left, her task then concluded. Beneath the white sky, where waves gently rolled, a story of two kindred spirits unfolded. Through differing views, their connection grew strong, where quiet affection truly belonged. One day came a knock, a warm smile on her face. His friend was her colleague from their working place. She thanked him for listening, accepting her plea, and offered her weekends for planting the tree. Now planting together, a brand new start. Their collaboration, a truly beautiful art. Laughter filled the air as the sun dipped so low, their hearts softly beating, watching feelings grow. The beach heard their whispers, a symphony of sound, where true love and purpose finally were found.